Amélie.
Pierre.
I brought you some coffee.
You good? Did you let off steam?
Yeah, that was nice.
Ready to take some notes?
I am all ears.
Very good. So let's start from your thermal car that today consumes 6 liters for 100 kilometers.
Okay.
Very good. With an electric car, you no longer consume liters of gasoline, but kilowatts per hour, which you no longer store in a tank, but in a battery. For example, the battery of an EC4 contains 50 kilowatts per hour of energy. So now let's talk about another unit, the kilowatt. The higher the number of kilowatts, the shorter the charging time.
All right.
Very good. For example, an hour of connection at 7.4 kilowatts allows you to accumulate 7.4 kilowatts per hour of energy. If I have 11.1 kilowatts.
Then I'll recover 11.1 kilowatts per hour of energy.
Well, there you go. You see, it's simple. This allows you, depending on power, to know how long it will take you to fill your 50 kilowatt per hour battery.
A little less than 5 hours.
Well, that's perfect. Now let's move on to fast charge.
Fast what?
The fast charge. Let me show you. You see that glass of water? Imagine it's your battery. I fill it, but so that it does not overflow, I will go very fast at the beginning and slower in the end. Well, it's the same with these super 100 kilowatt chargers. Very fast at first and slower on the last 20%.
Enough to consider long journeys eventually.
Of course, that's why they bloom along the highways.
And what about the charging cable?
No, Pierre, not the cable, the cables. But hey, if you want, we talk about it over lunch.
Good idea, I'm starting to get hungry. And it's on me.
Good, very good. Ta-da!
What kind of menu is that?
I got you a cable menu.